Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into the world of Minecraft, and I've got the ultimate guide to help you master this blocky universe. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned player, stick around because there's something for everyone. First off, let's talk about the basics. Minecraft is all about creativity and survival. You start with nothing but your fists, and from there it's up to you to build, explore, and thrive. Punch some trees to gather wood, make your first crafting table, and boom, you're on your way. Now for those of you looking to survive your first night, here's a pro tip. Always build a shelter before the sun goes down. Trust me, you don't want to be caught out in the open when the mobs come out to play. Dig into the side of a hill or build a quick dirt hut, anything to keep those zombies and skeletons at bay. Alright, let's move on to crafting. This is the heart of Minecraft. Learn your basic recipes. Wooden planks, sticks, and tools like pickaxes and shovels. Once you've got the hang of it, try your hand at more advanced items like enchanting tables and brewing stands. The possibilities are endless. Exploring is another huge part of the game. Dive into caves, mine for precious ores, and don't forget to bring torches. Keep an eye out for strongholds and dungeons. They're filled with loot, but can be pretty dangerous. Oh, and if you find a village, make friends with the villagers. Trading with them can get you some pretty sweet deals. Now let's talk about creativity. Minecraft isn't just about surviving, it's about building your dream world. Whether it's a cozy cottage, a towering castle, or even a replica of the Millennium Falcon, let your imagination run wild. Use different materials and experiment with designs. Redstone mechanics can add some cool functionality to your builds too. And lastly, don't forget about the community. Minecraft has one of the most passionate and creative communities out there. Join multiplayer servers, participate in build competitions, and watch how-to videos for endless inspiration. Collaboration can take your Minecraft experience to the next level. Alright folks, that's it for today's guide. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to take on the world of Minecraft like a pro. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.